Yes, Bafethu, after watching Arsenal win the league for the first time in 22 years, I think it's very clear that this might be a redemption season for some teams. And ayikho into esingayenza. Ayikho dog. Na imebhakaniya la igijimisa league for the first time in 14 years they could possibly win it. Bafethu ngiyaqhaqhazela. Ngiyaqhaqhazela. Yabona indaba yange weekend nje vele mina iyangithusa fuqamba manga. And into ebuhlungu ngayo yonke lento le is that we have to be there to witness yonke lento le. Ayikho into esingayenza, we have to be there. It's not like we can go anywhere. Yo.
Habe, hey, ngizwa ngishaya uvalo mabhakabhaka. Kodwa ngiyaliziba, ngishaya indiva. Hayi. Lengishaya lona, lengishaya kodwa hayi, ngishaya phakathi angiluzwa. Ngishaya indiva.
I want to make an announcement. I want to make a declaration. Sonke ke siyazi ukuthi kusasa Pirates is playing against Durban City. So ngifuna ukusho ke, ngifuna ukunitshela, I want to make an announcement ukuthi Pirates kusasa izowina. And also Pirates will be crowned 2025-2026 Betway Premiership champions. Ayeye Bhakaniya, ayeye. Ngizobuya ke Monday ngizothula ubufakazi ngalento engisho namhlanje sezwana yini ngangishilo ke on Friday ukuthi on Monday ngizoma la phambili. Firstly, I would like to congratulate Kaizer Chiefs for winning over the weekend. I would also like to congratulate Sundowns for winning. Unfortunately, it's a different story when it comes to Orlando Pirates. I'm still standing here. I'm not apologetic. I'm still saying Pirates will win the league. This is a lesson to everyone. When we plan, God decides. It's a lesson to everyone. A dream may be delayed, but it will never be denied. Njengoba nani nifunda la esikoleni. Term 1 ungafeyila, term 2 ufeyile, term 3 ufeyile, but in term 4 you will make it. Kanjalo ke nePirates okwenzakalile zingaba khona inkinga, but you will find ukuthi on the last game they will succeed. So ngisamileke futhi, I'm saying to you, Pirates will still win the league. They will be crowned 2025-2026 Betway Premiership champions. This is what I mean. Yes. It's not over until God says it's over. It's not over until God says it's over.
If Pirates be celebrate kulo Saturday sibuya kuyi. Le weekend esiya kuye next weekend bekuzobhora Mr Nkeola kule country. But now uNkulunkulu ibalansisile. Saturday kuzoba nenjabulo ku-Orlando Pirates. Angijiki leyo. I don't think Orbit College Mr Nkeu bangastop i-Orlando Pirates. Yes, imihlola yenzeka ngishizo weekend ngathi imihlola yenzeka ebholeni, but ama chances mancane. Yes, Orbit ifuna ukubalekela izembe uma ungabheka isimo asikho right for bona lapha kuleya position, because for bona ukuthi bazithole bangayi ku relegation kufuna ukuthi baziwinele le game or bayidraw.
That's what makes it interesting, Bobsito.
Yeah.
We cannot completely write them off.
Yeah.
This is why the winning against Durban City was so important, because whatever happens with Orbit College, you would have wrapped up the league. Because Orbit, I'm not saying Orbit. You see, when we talk about football, we have to be very consistent.
Yes.
Orbit, the life and death yabo, they should have fought it with Stellenbosch. If Banamandla Masha they would have got those powers even in Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
Or throughout the season. So Gushuguti, there's a reason why they're number 15. But because football is football, and also they are fighting for something,
but
there's that level of danger that's there in that game.
But what is advantage? How many players Orlando Pirates ebalweni ku-Orbit abadlalayo ku-line up ye-Orbit?
Yes,
week in, week out.
Younger Madiba.
We understand.
There's a kid Ubatu Khoto, he's a left winger. We Diski Challenge Pirates as well. I don't know if he's on loan there.
So I don't think Orlando Pirates ingaba mhlawumbe ibanikezile leyo advantage ukuthi they can use abadlali babo ababalonile Yeah, but because labadlali mangabe bawu4 badlala week in week out kusho kona ukuthi kumele ulethe abadlali abasha. And labadlali abasha Mr Nkill kumele you must also check equality Orlando Pirates, not ukuchecka ukuthi isimo abakuso bakuphi, even if bangaza all out, but the quality ye Orlando Pirates, le attack Orlando Pirates, le speed enaso ngiyacabanga ukuthi angiboni ukuthi bangayistoppa Mr Nkill. It's going to be a very interesting game against the Pirates. It's not like a walkover ukuthi zothi I know kube lula because babalekela izembe status se PSL Mr Nkill siyadura and abadlali abaningi abadlala kumagesi khumbula ukuthi mangabe baya relegator lawa masalary abawatholayo manje ayo change Mr Nkill mabaya ku NFT, so nabo kumele ukuthi bafayithele for lokho bakwazi ukuthi ekugcineni bakwazi ukondla imindeni yabo mhlambe ngalawa masalary abawathola ku Obit kwamanje. So yeah, iyoba nzima Mr Nkill, but angibanikezi win. They understand ukuthi if we lose or we draw their game is done. I think they will go all out. First we still they are going to attack Obit, and uma izoba nenhlanhla iObit ingathola amagoli amancane. Ngiyasho namanje Mr Nkill, yeah, football is football. Akumelanga sithi mhlambe nayo say undermine Obit. Siyazi ukuthi ibalekela izembe, but uma ungabheka the quality of the players nangendlela performance yala maqembu angakhona Orlando Pirates ingenhla kune Obit. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi yeah bayo celebrate kahle mbombela Mr Nkill beliqembu le Orlando Pirates.
Sanman bafethu, yazi the football gods has agreed, they have approved bayenze nje yonke lenyaka. Arsenal ithethe league, iPirates nje izabe isihlolela weekend mayosikhomba enye into. Even the gods will be surprised. Pirates, there's only one thing and one thing pen, win the league. Simple. Win the game, you win the league. Simple. Nothing more. Ayikho into complicated lapho. You go there, you win 1-0, you take the league. Because the gods zivomile. Yes, boys, you can take it this season. Unless if nina your prayers are queue. But I don't think so. My ngicela nje ngasicasuli this weekend. Ngasdeal. Last week isintulele because vele besingafuni ukuthi celebrate isikhathi. Sans postpone ban postpone isipray. This week akunapray upostpone wala. Ngayithatha nje le league ngeke ku hey.
I hope niyazi ukuthi imedia team Orlando Pirates is busy collecting ama-post wenu, nama-video wenu, nama-tweets wenu, nama-Facebook post wenu, and everything that you guys are saying about Orlando Pirates and laughing at them for bottling the win against Durban City and everything else that you guys are saying about them to make sure ukuthi their documentary is fire. You guys know that, right? You guys know ukuthi documentary yabo bayoba include nina as evidence ukuthi there are haters in life. These are the people who didn't believe in us. These are the people who thought that you guys are making stories Orlando Pirates to be strong. Because angazi ukuthi like I'm so mad. That's why I haven't been able to make a video about the game yabo ne Durban City. I was so mad that they didn't win that game because ngabe sesiyaqala manje siyaphola. Ngabe sesijwayele manje. But no. It's still coming. Like, do you guys understand? Like, guys, this is always njani. Like, I've been asking this question and nobody has answered me. Does anybody know what we're gonna do?
We're Obit. Yo. Hayi Obit yofela into engazazi. I-Obit iyofela into engazazi. Yo, I am sorry Obit. Unfortunately, we have to do this to you. I know it's not your fault. You had nothing to do with this. Mara, we are very sorry, Obit. We are sorry. I'm going to apologize in advance. The things we're going to do to you. Obit, we are sorry, Shep. Sorry, Obi. Sorry, Obi. Sorry, Obza. Apologies, Obi. Yo. Hi.
Ngapaka nibuya kubukela highlights ze game between the Orlando Pirates and Obit College. that was played at Orlando Stadium in the first leg of the season. I noticed that game into yoba kukhona players ezazikhona esingenazo ngoku, players which were very influential in that game, or players that were influencing Orlando Pirates in a very positive manner. Players that we do no longer see at Pirates, some are no longer there. Abanye baloned out. The likes of Shikhofatsa Mabasa. Mabasa was present in that game. Sipho Mbule was present in that game. Sihle Sipho Mbule, Nduli. Sipho Sihle Nduli was present in that game. Umqelaz, ebethi number 6 as always. Bandile Shandu, he was present in that game. So all those players, all those 4 players I've mentioned, we do no longer see them at Orlando Pirates. Some are still at Orlando Pirates, injured. Some we don't know what's happening. Some have been loaned out. But all I can say is that that game was so tough. Into endiyinothisa kwezantwana ziyakwazi ukumake Orlando Pirates. Ziyakwazi ukunikeza Orlando Pirates i-challenge. Sakora phaya on the 56th minute. Ukora ulebona siyema. That game, we won that game by 1-0. It was a very tough game for Orlando Pirates. Very tough games. Our players faced a very hard time against those boys. And that takes me to the fact that now we're going to be playing those boys in their home ground, in a must-win game, with the players of Orlando Pirates that are under pressure, very under pressure, players who cannot calm themselves down. Players of Pirates as well as calm it down. They play under pressure, and from the first minute to the last minute, and then end up not even winning the game. All I want to say, Mapaka, is that match is never going to be easy for us. And that match is going to be the toughest match we've ever played. So, ndiyaphinda futhi ingasocoach wethu angazi-undermine ntwana. Ingasocoach wethu if ufuna siyiwinele league athi go all out on these boys. Abe ne-strategies, ayeke le nto akuvele bengathi akana-strategies zakudlala bhola. Otherwise, ezantwana zizosinikeza ingxaki. Zizosinikeza eyake yankulu ingxaki for coach wethu okay was undermine ezantwana eziyana. I'm from the highlights. I've seen what I'm talking about. It was very difficult for Orlando Pirates to break through those boys. Hence the goal on the 56th minute by Lebona Siyema, the defender of Orlando Pirates, center back. Otherwise, it's going to be difficult, boys. I don't want to lie. Ngase nathi singayozele la match le, it's going to be very difficult. Ngase players zethu zi-understand into yoba izoba nzima la game. And it's a must-win game. Once we don't win that game, it's over for us. No league for us.